Hi students, welcome to Good Samaritan School Health and Physical Education class. I am Darwin, Physical Education teacher. Today we are going to perform exercises related to strength. Do you know what is the meaning of strength? It is the ability to overcome the resistance. According to science, there are three methods to improve strength. They are isometric exercises, isotonic exercises and isokinetic exercises. Today we are going to perform exercises related to isometric. What is isometric exercise? It is a form of exercise involving the static contraction of muscle without any visible movement in the angle of the joint. There is an interesting factor about isometric exercises. We can perform isometric exercise without any equipment. Students, now we are going to perform the first isometric exercise, that is high plank. That exercise is very good for our core muscle and back muscle. Let me perform it. You can also perform with me. This high plank is a starting position of push-ups. It is very easy to perform. This is the position. You can perform this for 30 seconds, 40 seconds or 1 minute. Now we are going to perform the second isometric exercise, that is press against wall. That exercise is very good for our shoulder muscle. Let me perform it. You all can perform with me. So come to normal standing position and keep your left leg little forward and keep both hands on the wall and press. So very simple exercise, good for our shoulder. Breathing should be normal. After some time, we can change the position to another leg. Right leg, the same procedure. Now we are going to perform the third isometric exercise, that is self-arm wrestling. Self-arm wrestling is very good for our biceps and tricep muscle. Let me perform it. You all can perform with me. First of all, take your left hand forward and hold by your right hand and press. When you press, you will feel stress in your biceps and triceps. Breathing should be normal. When you perform all the isometric exercises, the breathing should be normal. That is very important. Now we can change to another hand. Right hand forward and hold by your left hand and press. Now we are going to perform the fourth isometric exercise, that is forearm plank. Forearm plank is very good for our abs. Let me perform it. You can also perform it. So come to this position and keep your both elbows down and raise your body up. So this is the position. You can perform it for 1 minute, 2 minutes or 5 minutes. It is according to your ability. This is a very good exercise for your abs. Breathing should be normal. Now we are going to perform the fifth isometric exercise, that is low squat. That low squat exercise is good for our glutes, quadriceps and adductors muscle. Let me perform it. You can also perform with me. When you perform low squat, you have to keep in your mind, it is very important, the knee should not come beyond your toes level. That is very important. So you have to put your weight backside. So come to this feet apart and sitting position. Knees should not come forward. So this is the position. Normal breathing. Now we are going to perform the sixth isometric exercise, that is triceps extension against the wall. This exercise is very good for our triceps muscle. Let me perform it. You can also perform it. Come near the wall and keep both the elbows down and press. This is a very good exercise for your triceps. Breathing should be normal. Students, now we are going to perform the last and seventh exercise of isometric, that is prayer pose. This prayer pose is very good exercise for the chest muscles. Let me perform it. You all can perform it. This normal prayer pose, you have to give pressure on your chest. Breathing should be normal. You can perform this for 30 seconds, 40 seconds or 1 minute. Dear students, hope you all have enjoyed these exercises. You want to get more benefit from these exercises, you can perform it for 2-3 times. Thank you.